This month was crazy, y'all. And I ain't gonna front. I was a hibernating bear. Waiting for this moment where the market gave us a dump. And finally it came. But y'all see the title, man. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all up, man. Let's get into it. Let me go ahead and clear the air because I know it's gonna be somebody out there, which has already been people on Twitter and on Instagram, like, oh, this is fake. He photoshopped this. He didn't do this. He's capping. So I was like, all right, man, let me do the video. Let me log into my TD Ameritrade. Let me show y'all my dashboard, the same dashboard and the same information that you just seen on the screenshot. Let me show you for anybody that think I'm capping. I don't even know why y'all would think I would cap. Like, it ain't that deep. But, you know, I had to show the possibilities. But anyway, let me go ahead and knock that out so y'all can see that, and then we'll get into it. This is the part where I prove that this was indeed my account. Now, I'm on TD Ameritrade. This is my dashboard. As you can see, the same one that I had on the screenshot for those who were doubting me, saying this was cap or I photoshopped and all of this craziness, right? So you see, January 3rd, $1,400. And you see, January 26th, $100,000. Now, let me adjust the dates. Let me just go to the 12th. So y'all will know. You see that? It adjusts. Thursday, January 20th, I was at 63,000. You see that? 21st, 72. Took a backdrop on the 24th, 56. Jump on the 26th. So y'all see, no cap. See that I'm adjusting the dates. Refresher for all of y'all. Bruh. Why do I have to prove this, bruh? Y'all know, like, I'm not capping, dog. I wouldn't cap to y'all. Now, I really want to show you everything. I want to show you, like, all of the trades. I really want to go into my account, but I can't show my username, apparently, because TD will put your account on pause if you put sensitive information out there as far as, like, your username, and you don't block it or you don't change whatever that's online, they'll pause your account. And that's what happened to me. As soon as I put the tweet up and I put TD Ameritrade in the tweet, they was calling me like ASAP, hitting me up through email saying, look, bro, you put your username out there, you have to change it or you have to take the tweet down. I said, look, man, I'm not taking that tweet down. So I changed my username, you know, and I won't put it out there anymore. So that's what that was about. And it's somebody out there going to say like, oh, Rico, you're capping about that. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and pull the message up. I can't make this up. You think I can Photoshop all of this? Hello, Rico. We are reaching out to you regarding your public tweet that contains a screenshot of your username. And then they go into all of that, how it's a security risk and things of that nature. So there's your proof. I can't put my username back out there, but you see, it's the exact same thing as the screenshot. This is my dashboard to my TD Ameritrade. So just wanted to get that out of the way for everybody that's skeptical. Telling y'all, I mean, just do the math. Do the math. Bruh. Oh yeah, one more thing. You see, low, $1,012. That was the low of the account. High, $100,000. Like, bro, let me break this down. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the story, man. Like, I just started that TD Ameritrade account. You know, I got off Webull, took my bread out, you know, paid things that I had to get taken care of with the down payment on this home, you know, and put the rest in my account. Started a new TD account, and I say, you know what? I want to see where I can take this TD account, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not going to load it up, put a little bread in it, and see if I can run it up, see if I can take it to the next level, see where my skill set is at, you know what I'm saying? See if I'm really nice with these options like I think I am, right? So I put the bread in there, you know. Tried a couple things last month. I was just light, wasn't nothing that serious. You know, it was what it was, cause I started that account at the end of the month, so I only had like a week on it, so I didn't really do too much on it, right? So fast forward to this month, I'm like, all right, it's time to get serious. You know, we got an opportunity, and I'm about to take it to the next level. So as soon as I seen that the market was turning bearish, I knew it was time to attack. And for everybody that's out there like, yo, how can you take 1,000 to 100,000? Y'all just gotta do the math. It's funny because I literally told my boys what I was gonna do. I told them 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, and it's a wrap. And that's the mindset I had. Now, mind you, when I got to 4,000, I didn't know I was gonna catch a crazy banger that I did. And I caught a crazy banger on Square that I swung, and I ended up taking 4,000 to about 22,000. Once I got that 22,000, I saw how the market was looking, so you know I was gonna slam that. Now, I'ma tell y'all, it's not wise to use your entire portfolio on options. It's not. But I'm challenging myself. I'm having fun with it at this point. I'm like, yo, this is the moment to slam, right? So I took that 20,000, flipped it to 70,000. Now, when I got to 70,000, I had hopped out of AMD, which I shouldn't have. I'm telling y'all right now, if I wouldn't have got out of the AMD puts, yo, I would have probably went to about 140,000 if I would have held it to today. I shouldn't have got out of there. I got scared. But anyway, when I got out of there, you know, my mans put me on a potential play with gold, and I saw an opportunity, so I hopped in gold. But I didn't even understand gold. You feel me? And I shouldn't have did that. But the ironic part is the gold play ended up working, but I cut it because I was getting cooked. And I didn't know where it was gonna go, and I went against my rules. It was just a thing. I'm like, damn, I'm trying to run it up and I messed up. So hopped in that gold. Gold went left. You know what I'm saying? It was a gold put, and gold actually ran for like 2 days. At the contract I had ended up going 100%, so I could have stayed put in gold, but I got up out of there. But when I got out of gold, I was like, all right, what's the next play? Caught a Square call and ran it back up, right? So I'm back to like 70,000, right? Caught the Square call, and y'all can verify everything that I'm talking about. All of these calls and puts are in my Discord. You can verify everything. Caught the Square call, ran it back up to 70. After that, caught the Square puts, played it back on the downside, and took it to 100,000. That was yesterday, going into today. Now, I should have held the Square puts because them things cooked today. Them Square puts cooked today. You know, my man's Tommy, you know, that's one of my admins in my group. He went 138% on the Square puts. So if I would have held the Square puts, it would have went even crazier. That would have took me to about 140,000. You dig? So I'm telling y'all, man, like, I ain't got a cap, man. Yo, it's just the fact that I was slamming things. Like, when I saw the opportunity, and that's what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? But I know that everybody isn't gonna have the risk tolerance that I have to be putting up 20,000, 50,000, 70,000 on trades. But, you know, I saw the opportunity and I had to slam it, you know? I had to slam these trades. Going back to the thing about me capping, man. Somebody saying, yo, Rico, you're not on your YouTube teaching technical analysis. Look, man, I keep everything simple. I keep telling y'all, man, I use the MAs, I use the VWAP, and I use my pivots. I want to know support and resistance. I keep it very simple. I trade one ticker at a time. I do not hop in all kinds of crazy trades. I hop in one trade at a time. These are all things that I've talked about on Twitter Spaces. I've given the entire game with how I beat options. Like, I've given it. What more do you want from me? I'm telling y'all. And you set your stop loss at 20 to 25% on your option. And I don't trade weekly. If I do trade weeklies, I'm wild. But I don't trade weeklies. You know, weeklies have taken me through the ringer. But, you know, this is how I ran it up. Like, it's really that simple. You just do the math, you'll see. Like, yo, I was slamming things. Like, it wasn't like, oh, like, yo, it's just this one trade. Because some people are trying to say, like, did you have Netflix puts? No, I didn't have Netflix puts. I wish I was in Netflix earnest. If I was in Netflix earnest, I would have threw like 10,000 there. Would have threw like 20,000 there. You kidding me? Jokes went 1,000%. Yo, my portfolio would have been way crazier. What are you talking about? But, you know, I try to stay away from earnest, man. And, you know, and I'm telling y'all a lot of things that I just did that was risky, but earnest is super risky. So I try to stay away from earnest. But I'm telling y'all right now, man, these are the possibilities with options, man. Options can really get crazy. I'm not saying any John Doe can do what I just did, but it's possible, man. It's possible. But you gotta have that dog in you. You gotta be able to say, look, I trust myself. I trust my conviction to go heavy. You dig? And I know that if things go left, I have my stop loss. It's that simple. Do not put up what you're not willing to lose, but you gotta be ready to scale up, man. If you want to take it to the next level, you gotta scale up, man. You gotta go heavier on your trades, man. And that's why I'm telling y'all, do one thing at a time so you can go a little bit more heavy. You know? Man, options is not, I mean, it is risky. Let me not act like this stuff is easy, because I don't want y'all to get it twisted like this thing is easy, because it's not. But what I tend to focus on is beating the market. You know what I'm saying? So I focus on my edge, and I keep telling y'all that. Figure out your edge. With me, I try to take the risk out of options. It's already risky. So I try to make sure I take trades where I'm giving myself a better chance of having a profitable trade. So I don't mess with out of the money weeklies. I tend to stay at the money, and I set my price targets before I get into the trade. So when I set my price targets before I get into the trade, I line that up with the actual premium. So I will automatically know, okay, this needs to go here for me to make 50% off this premium. This needs to go here for me to make 100% off of this premium. Or this could potentially go here. I'm not just gonna get any old contract. I get contracts that I truly believe is gonna be in the money in the time frame that I get. So I make sure I give myself enough time for my contract to hit that strike. Telling y'all, man, keep it simple. Quit playing yourself, man. And quit trying to play me. Y'all, come on, bro. Y'all really thought I was gonna cap y'all and I made a fake screenshot? No. It really happened. Now, it was risky, but I really took that thing from $1,000, as you can see, to $100,000. Now, with all that being said, man, I'm trying to take this account to 7 figures. I'm not gonna say I'm trying. I am gonna take this account to 7 figures, and I'm gonna keep y'all updated. And now that I got it to 6 figures, I'm gonna chill out on the risk, man. I'm gonna chill out on the risk, because this is the level that I was trying to reach to give myself a good amount of capital to start, you know, still scaling up, but to the point where I have a good enough amount of capital where I don't have to take no, you know, crazy trades where I have to use my entire portfolio. Now I can use 20,000 a trade, and you know, I can safely just continue to compound. Everything is about compounding. you know? So I want y'all to keep that in mind. Compound your account. As you compound your account, you can scale up. You gotta think about building your account. Everybody wanna be this super trader. Everybody wanna know it all. Think about building your account, man. That's what it's all about. Building your account, period. So that's what I want y'all to focus on. What's your edge? And when you figure out your edge, man, be confident in your conviction and go for it. Take the trade. Just do it. Nike done told you that for years. Just do it. Quit playing. And you can run it up, man. But that's how I went from 1,000 to 100,000. It's really that simple. But y'all know where to find me, man. I've literally posted all of these trades and more in my Discord. You could have just followed along. Period, point blank. Some people are gonna follow along. Some people are gonna do their own thing. I'm cool with whatever. As long as you learning, you know, from us at Stock Market Moves, I'm happy. So make sure you join the Discord, stockmarketmoves.com. I got the link all in the caption, so you're gonna see all of that. So go ahead and sign up, join the Discord, tap in with us. Let's get this money. I got a live mentor in there every single day. So when I call trades, my guy AB is gonna tell you, yo, I like this play, or I don't like this play, or you should look at it around this level to get in, or that level. Like, we really got a crazy system, man, that you're gonna love. My boy is teaching in real time during the market hours, so make sure you tap in. Stock Market Moves. This your boy Rico, and I appreciate y'all tapping in. Y'all already know what it is. The world is yours, and with all that being said, 1,000 to 100,000, baby. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. And yo, if y'all see me do some wild stuff, stay on my head top, man, because just as fast as I made this money, I can lose it. And I'm not trying to lose it. We're trying to take this account to 7 figures. So stay on top of my head top.